Heavy goods vehicle tire blowout. The power is equivalent to the explosion of a grenade. According to the calculation, the maximum tire pressure of a car is 10 kilograms per square centimeter. If a flat tire blows out, the gas in the fetus is at the moment of explosion. Shock waves generated over short distances, enough to diagnose human bones, or let people die in place. The smaller the breach, the greater the impact force. Within 10 meters of the explosion point is a dangerous area. So when repairing tires and inflating tires, be sure to use a safety dragon. Wear a hard hat and gloves. Pay attention to safety when inflating tires. The tire pressure usage standard is printed on the tire. Check the air pressure with a barometer at any time. Prevent tire explosion due to high air pressure. In addition, it is damaged, aging, bulging bags, etc. are also important reasons for tire explosions. So I suffered a lot of damage. Do not forcibly repair tires with flaws. When tires are used without obvious trauma, tire wear should be checked. There is a wear limit mark in the tire pattern. When the tires wear down to their usual level, must be replaced. So friends, no matter how heavy the truck is on the road, as far away as possible,